Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn two very important commands. One is scale and other one is align. So let's start with align command. Okay, as you can see here we have a rectangle and one aligned line with some angle. Okay, suppose if you want this rectangle to be in the same angle as this blue line, how you are going to do it? We are going to do it with the align command. So the short form for align command is AL. So type AL, give enter. Now select the rectangular line. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to pick two source points and two destination points. The first source point, it is asking for a first source point. So source is the rectangle. So select one point in the rectangle. Okay, now it is asking for a destination point. So destination point you should select on this line. Okay, you can click it anywhere on the line. Okay, click it. Okay, now it is asking for a second source point. So second source point on the rectangle. Next is second destination point. You can destination point, you can click it anywhere on the blue line. Okay, now give enter twice, 1 2. Okay, now your rectangle is aligned with the blue line. So one thing is done. The next step is scale. Okay, suppose if you want to scale this rectangle, suppose if you want this side of the rectangle to be same as this blue line, what we are going to do, we are going to scale it. How we are going to scale it? The short form for scale command is SC. Okay, give SC and enter. Now select the entire rectangle, right click on the mouse and select the base point. Base point in the sense the first point of the rectangle. Click it here. Now it will give two options here. If you see down on the command line, you have copy and reference. So you have to select reference. So type R here and give enter. Now you have to give reference. Reference, how are we going to give reference? The first point of the rectangle. Okay, it will be the base point. Click it here. The second point is a very important point. Click it on the end of the rectangle. Okay, so now you want this point to be at the end of this line. So third point you have to click it here. So you see it is scaled to the length of the aligned line.